Hi friends, my name is Jake. Welcome to Canadian Cutting Edge. I guess you know what this probably is because you clicked on the video. This is one of the options that you have if you own a TSPROF K02 and you want to get the K03 style system for adjusting what angle you're sharpening at. So I bought one from TSPROF. I'm going to install it. You'll see how I install it, and this will just be like an install video, I think, and I'll do a review video at a later date, although I'll probably give you my first impressions during this as well. So if you're interested in converting a K02 to a K03, stick around. That stuff's coming right now. It comes with a base plate. There's that round end that goes in there. So actually it goes this way. There's these two little extensions right there that sit on either side of this to stop it from turning. It's a little bit wider this way than is a tight fit. Well, I'll just have to make sure I get it on straight when I tighten it down. But this plate, let me double check which way this thing goes. I'm sure that goes to the front. Well, of course I put this on wrong. It can't go across the whole thing because then this can't move. Because if it's attached onto here and it's covering that, no can move. Got to put it on this way. Silly Jake. Okay, let's start again. So now it has to go that way so that I can turn it up and down. Of course it does. Sometimes you have to do things twice to get them done once. Get that centered. And then make it tight. There we go. So that part's on. So that's how that looks, and now I can adjust it up and down. And this is to stop it if you don't want it to adjust at all once you've got it where you want it. It's not like it's going to move easily anyways, but you know, it's good to just snug that up a little bit. Very little pressure is needed. And of course then we get this, and that goes in here, and of course you tighten this up to wherever you're going to be, and this is how you do your main adjustment. This is for large adjustments, small adjustments. So now all I need to do is put the rod back together through here. Tighten that down, and now I can sharpen at very high angles if I want to, and I can measure at very high angles if I want to. The lowest angle that I could sharpen at would be about 8 degrees, yeah. So very good very good range of sharpening that you can get. Actually, I'm going to double check how accurate this is compared to this. So let's put a knife on here. zero it out. That says 15. This says 15.7. So it's pretty close. If you're not concerned of the exact measurement, you agree. So I highly recommend that you still get a digital angle finder for your sharpening. This is, like I said, good for gross measurements, but not for nice, fine, accurate measurements. So I'm going to play with this for a while. I'm going to sharpen a few knives, and then I'll record another video telling you what I really think of it. So this is the assembly video and my first impressions. My first impressions are that this is very nice. Good indexing. I like the knurling on here. I like they've got a nice little stop here. And of course you've got the gross measurement there. That's so very easy to use. And of course they've got a brass bushing in there. Very smooth action. There's a little bit of oil residue on here, which I like for smooth action. So yeah, well done. This is my main sharpening rig. I do like Hapstone. I like them a lot. But I got this system before I got any Hapstone, and so I got totally and thoroughly used to it, and I really like it. So, till next time, thanks for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, friends, always cut towards your chum, not your thumb. Bye for now.